Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add custom live wallpaper in Galaxy A06 device. Guys, if you want to add your own video on your wallpaper, so all you guys have to do just go to Play Store and here just write custom live wallpaper. So this one is the application, by the way, live wallpaper any video. Just install this application, guys, and then click to open. So if you want to set your video, so just click to video and it will take you to your gallery. By the way, I have these two videos only. I am selecting this one and this is how it's look like. So just click to set wallpaper and just click to home screen if you want to select for home screen only, and that's it. Now go back, and as you see, the wallpaper is now changed and it is now custom live wallpaper. So that's how we can set the custom live wallpaper in Galaxy A06 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.